All right, sticking with the privacy topic, which appears to be a big thing today. Tinder is going to introduce in-app background checks. Think about that for a second. So obviously, this is an area where this is an intimate thing, dating. I don't know anything about it, but it's it's an intimate thing, the dating. I'm not dating right now. Well, hate to break it to you, ladies out there. I love it. Tinder is a popular application.
Sure.
For dating and meeting people and all that. However, could be a bit sketchy, I guess. Just a touch sketchy. Meeting up with a random person. What do you got? You got a photo? What do you got?
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
What do you got? A photo? Oh, cool. Okay. Yeah. Meet me here.
A photo and a quick bio.
Yeah, excuse me. That location seems a little bit risky. Yeah, no, I'll be there. Didn't you see my photo? I'm really good looking. It's like, wait, is that even you? Other apps have implemented the video feature, so you have to prove it's you in the first place. Because otherwise, you could have people setting up fake profile. Much like I was saying with the previous stories, there's ways in which people can screw around with this thing. But this, I don't know if this is a bit much. I'm not really sure. Background checks? A background check feature to its platform. I don't know exactly how this will work, but imagine running a background check. It's a bit, what can I say? I mean, it's not the most romantic thing.
Is it going to be something simple like it's a check mark, like you're good, or?
No, dude. It's a full police background check. We'll show the entire history.
Oh, man.
The only thing that it will exclude is...
Well, maybe some people are into that.
The only thing that it will exclude, apparently, is traffic stuff. But I don't know. Am I being sympathetic? Look, I don't want anybody to be assaulted or anything like that. Like, that's terrible. I don't want that. But I also think there's something to... like second chances as well. If a person had a charge, I don't know, am I crazy right now? But like, let's say a person had a charge 10 years ago, it's on the record for life. They got in a fight or something, or...
Yeah, everyone here has like a report card that can't be...
I don't know.
changed.
I don't know. It's actually, I'm kind of conflicted on it. I'm like, look, you did it. It's on the record. That's why you have a record. That's the whole point, dude.
Yeah.
If you have that record, should the person you're about to meet up, but you don't even know this person at all, and they got a background check on you. Do you have to approve of it? Is it automatically available after the swipe? Like, I'm really curious about the implementation here, but actually, Congress put heat on them. Apparently, there's a number of assaults that have led to this kind of thing because it ends up back on the platform. Person goes, "Excuse me, I was assaulted over here." And this person was a registered offender.
Yeah.
And you let him on the platform.
Yeah.
So I feel all that too. But it's just a real tough one to figure out whose job is that and how easy should they make it. And then once you put the feature in, how do you not do it? Right? If you're a prospective, if you're about to meet up with somebody, and how do you justify not doing the background? So now everybody's running background checks on everybody to meet anybody. Because all of a sudden, your friend's going to call you up and go, I'm saying if you're like I don't know, a 20-year-old woman or something, your friend's going to call you up and say, you didn't run a background check. No, they're going to blame you if something goes wrong because the feature was built in there.
Sure, yeah. Yeah, I think... health and safety is more important than like awkwardness. But
wait a minute, I didn't mean it as an awkwardness. I didn't mean it like that.
Yeah.
I meant it as a way in which we approach humans and situations.
Sure.
That like, hi, nice to meet you. Can I get a background check? Whoa. Whoa. Like it really makes things very
structured,
cold, and polar. yes or no. Like, there's not very much nuance in there.
Yeah.
I get it. Look, obviously it's a lot of situations that would lead to such a thing. Funny enough, the company behind Tinder, Match, they have all the dating sites. I mean, like most of them. They got a bunch of them. They invested in the background check company. We recognize corporations can play a key role in helping remove those barriers with technology and true collaboration rooted in action. Match Group, Tinder's parent company, is going to include the feature across all of its platforms at a later date. The background checks company was founded by women and collects public records of violence, abuse, arrests, convictions, restraining orders, harassment, and other violent crimes to create its reports. A 2019 investigation by ProPublica found registered offenders on many of Match Group's free platforms. Yeah, it's a rock and a hard place. It's super hard. You want to run this operation. You want to make money. You can't have these reports coming out. So you have to put these features in place. They also, in 2020, put a panic button feature that would immediately store information about a date, including location data, and alert emergency services if the button was pressed. Willie Doo's on a date? all of a sudden, the phone is on the table, panic button ready to go. They're like eyeing you down.
I was like, hey.
Yeah. You're like, no. I promise. You trip, fall, land awkwardly. They hit the button. You were trying to get near me.
Cops are right outside.
Difficult is a difficult topic, but yeah. There's certain circumstances.
Dating is hard in 2021.
In 2021, I mean, there's certain circumstances where I look at something and I say to myself, I'm kind of glad I didn't even have to think about it. You know what I mean? It really, truly is a luxury to not even think about it. And it's not possible to not think about it now, hence the article, hence the feature. So now you had to go into meeting people with the utmost concern and
skepticism,
and that's how you're going to approach things. And hopefully everybody passes their background checks.